Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to another video from me here at Campervan Journey, and today this could be a very exciting day. So I just wanted to apologise first of all for the lack of videos coming out over the last few weeks. The weather here in the UK has been rubbish, so we haven't been up to much, getting out and about much at all. One of our first trips out is down to Poole, where we're going to go and have a look at what could be a very strong candidate for our next van to replace this, our Volkswagen California Beach. Now, for those of you who follow the channel for some time will know that we've been talking on and off about changing this van for a little while now. And if any of you have been settled with a van for some time and then looked at options, you'll know that it's really difficult to find something that ticks all the boxes and as a suitable replacement. But I think we have finally got down to a short list of probably 3 vehicles, the first of which we're going to go and look at today, one of which we've already test driven and one we've seen but not test driven at all. I'll go into a little bit more detail about those later on, why they made it to our shortlist, but today's option is something that we haven't driven before. We've only had a little fairly basic look at, but heard good reports, and hopefully it will meet our expectations. So let's get cracking, head on down to Poole and find out what this van's like. What do you reckon, Harry? Yeah. Okay, so we've travelled through the beautiful Dorset countryside from Salisbury down to Poole, and we've come to Leisure First, our local Hymer agent, where we're going to try and test drive the Hymer Free 600S, which is based on the Mercedes Sprinter. And this is one of the 3 vans which is on our shortlist, and a pretty high contender. So the reason for choosing this is that it's a 6-metre van with a pop top. Gives good accommodation for us as a family of 3 and potentially a family of 4. Looking for something that's quality finish and feel similar to that of the VWs that we've been used to. So let's see how we get on our test drive. And I have to say, having driven it, it drives really, really well. So the interior of the van is typical Mercedes, really good quality and finish, and having driven it, just found that a lot of the safety equipment that is standard on this van, so the the alerts for speed limits and things, is really, really good. Nice big screen in the front, so a lot of all this stuff and equipment that we've got used to on our California, the car related kit, you're going to get in one of these, so that's a big plus point for this vehicle. One of the other things we were really nervous about was finding a van that had comfortable rear travelling seats for Harry and any other passengers. But when you're doing long journeys through Europe, which principally is what we use the van for, then it's very, very important for us to have comfortable travelling seats, and to find something that has got comfy seats is really difficult. Having just test and driven this, I think we found something that has got an acceptable compromise. Both Harry and Claire were sat on there. And how did you find the seats?
More comfortable than I expected.
More comfortable than expected, so that's good.
That's a good point.
Yeah. We were ideally looking for something that didn't have the vertical fridge. Had the fridge on the end here, so that would be a compromise, but the advantage being you've got bigger drawers, have got a good size fridge, and then you've got some additional storage up front. Bed's a good size, pop top at the top as well, and it's really good, a really nice, good quality product. How's the loo?
It's quite nice.
Cozy?
It's warm.
Yeah, it's nice. Good size. I like the way that the toilet seat is positioned that way round, because it just makes it feel more spacious than some of the ones where the toilet's in the corner there.
Why do you do that?
Guess what? You've got that's part of the wheel arch, so.
Can't put it there.
But yeah. But all in all, very, very positive. So could be looking at making a big decision very, very soon.
Big decision.
Can you just push the clip to release the bed? Great one, that's it. Just push it down. And slide the mattress across. Table and chairs in line with the California, and still some storage. Can you slide the little hatch across? There's a little door to protect the garage area. Drawers in here as well, so there's plenty of storage all around, and nice robust flooring. They have a flare on both sides on these Sprinters to create more space for sleeping. So Claire and I aren't the tallest people in the world, but sleeping crossways there was plenty of space. The flare on the passenger side is bigger than the flare on the driver's side, but it makes a difference between it's a narrower body than the crafter vans, so it just makes, and especially the Fiat vans as well, so it gives you more space for sleeping sideways across the back, in the back bed. So we've really enjoyed the test drive, and we do need to make a big decision about this van. The great news is that it's here, it's physically available, and we could enjoy our summer in the van as well if we decide to go for it, but got to really scratch our heads. So if you've enjoyed this video, found it useful, please remember to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Follow us on our campervan journey, and who knows, we might be doing our campervan journey in a new van coming very soon.